Mate, look at the wood.
What an idiot.
Oh.
That's because I fucking thought, oh, I'll be a bit greasy, I'll spin the back wheel. Didn't think, shit, you can barely even ride on it.
Mate, you should have known you wouldn't be able to do that on here.
Oh, well, that's on camera.
I probably should ask you, you're okay? Did you hurt yourself? Look at the side of your boot, man. What the fuck?
There's me thinking, oh, that'll be greasy, that'll do it. Well, nice burnout. Next thing you know, bang them on the arse.
Mate.
It's nearly in the river.
Oh, I know.
Oh, I'm sweating.
Imagine that fucking went down there, what would you do?
Probably cry. Right, let's change the mode from aggressive.
You're not going to spin it now, are you?
Well, it's too greasy to even get a foot in.
I ain't fucking doing one of them, fuck that. I broke this bike enough, I'm not fucking doing that.